Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. I am Muhammad Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from DP1 AA SL Trigonometry chapter, exercise 9A.3. This is lecture 2. Question number 2. Solve for x on the domain x greater than equals to 0 less than equals to 2 pi. So a number, if we want to solve it, we have to write here 2 sine x equals to root over 3. Keep in mind our interval will be x greater than equals to 0 less than equals to 2 pi. After that, sine x equals to root 3 by 2. Then x equals to sine inverse root 3 by 2. So convert your calculator in radian mode. If we find sine inverse root 3 by 2, it will be pi by 3. Definitely it is acute angle. So our interval or domain is x greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 2 pi. So this is all. That one is sine. That one is tan. That one is cos. Sine is positive in the first quadrant, also positive in the second quadrant. So how we will get the second value? From here to here, this is pi. So if we add pi by 3 with, or if we subtract pi by 3 from pi, then we'll get the value in the second quadrant. Then it will be 3 pi minus pi by 3. So it will be 2 pi by 3, which comes in the second quadrant. So final answer, x equals to pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. Question number A completed. Now question number B. 3 cos x plus 3 equals to 0. Now 3 cos x equals to minus 1 minus 3. If we divide both sides by 3, we'll get here cos x equals to minus 1. One thing you have to remember, for cos x and sin x minus 1 plus 1 or 0, you will, if you want to find out the value of x, you have to depend upon the graph. Like here, I want to sketch the cos graph. 0, this is pi by 2. That one is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. That one is 2 pi. Now, maximum value is 1 here. Minimum value is minus 1. If we sketch this curve, when x value 0, cos 0 is 1. When x value pi by 2, cos x equals to 0. When x value pi, cos x equals to minus 1. When x value 3 pi by 2, cos x equals to 0. When 2 pi, cos x equals to 1. What do we want? We want cos x equals to minus 1. For what values of x we will get cos x equals to minus 1? So from the graph, we can able to see when x value is pi, cos x equals to minus 1. So this is our answer. So number B completed. Number 2 10x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have to write here 2 10x equals to 2. So 10x equals to 1. Now x equals to 10 inverse 1. It will be pi by 4. So 10 is positive in the first quadrant, also third quadrant. From here to here, this is pi. If we add this acute angle with pi, we get the result in the third quadrant where 10 is positive. Therefore, x equals to pi by 4. Another x value x equals to pi plus pi by 4. It will be 5 pi by 4. Final answer, x equals to pi by 4 or 5 pi by 4. So question number 2 completed. Question number 4, solve for x on the domain of x greater than equals to minus 2 pi less than equals to 2 pi. So one thing, minus 2 pi means you have to consider at first from, if we move in this way clockwise, the value will be in the negative format. And when we move from clockwise, that means this one, this is value will be in the positive format. So here they gave us minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So think in this way, minus 2 pi to 0 and from 0 to positive 2 pi, right? In this way, think. Now the first one, 2 sine x plus root 3 equals to 0. Now 2 sine x equals to minus root 3. So sine x equals to minus root 3 by 2. X equals to, always keep minus outside, minus sine inverse root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is it is minus root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. So x equals to minus pi by 3. So this minus indicate that you will search where sign is negative. So when you move anti-clockwise, sign is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But you have to write the answer in positive symbol, positive way, because you are considering anti-clockwise 0 to 2 pi. So now, if I want the result in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant, we'll write x equals to pi plus pi by 3. So we'll get here 4 pi by 3. And another result, x equals to 2 pi. From here to here, this is 2 pi. If we subtract from 2 pi this acute angle pi by 3, it will be 6 pi minus pi, that means 5 pi by 3. These two results, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Okay, cos sign is negative here. But when it is clockwise, that means consider this interval clockwise. So again, sign is negative in the second quadrant. Now this is the fourth quadrant and third quadrant. But we are moving in the clockwise rotation. So we'll write x equals to minus pi by 3, which is in the first. That means we will move in the clockwise rotation here, minus pi by 3. And if you want the result here, we will write x equals to, from here to here, this is minus pi. With minus pi, if we add pi by 3, it's come over there. So it will be minus 3 pi plus pi by 3. So result will be minus 2 pi by 3. So final answer, x equals to, we will write here minus pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So one thing you have to be sure that when you are considering the clockwise, the result will come in negative sign. And you will check which quadrant sign is negative here. So our A number completed. Question number B, root over 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So we have to write here root over 2 cos x equals to minus 1. So cos x equals to minus 1 by root 2. So x equals to minus cos inverse 1 by root 2. So we'll get here x equals to minus pi by 4. Now we will check where cos is negative. When we are thinking about the anti-clockwise in this way, cos is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant. So x equals to, from here to here, this is pi. If we subtract from pi by 4, we'll get here 4 pi minus pi by 4. It will be 3 pi by 4. Another result, in the third quadrant, pi plus pi by 4. So one thing you have to remember, this minus indicate where cos is negative. So this is 5 pi by 4. So these two results we get 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. We are considering the angle in when it is anti-clockwise. Now when it is clockwise, that means in this way, cos is negative in this quadrant, that means the house of 10 and house of sine. That means x equals to, from here to here, this is minus pi. Why minus? Because we are considering clockwise. Minus pi plus, if we add here pi by 4, it's come over there. So minus 4 pi plus pi by 4, it is minus 3 pi by 4. Then x equals to minus pi minus pi by 4. It will come in the house of 10. That means minus 4 pi minus by, so it will be minus 5 pi by 4. So finally, we get the answer x equals to 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4, and also minus 5 pi by 4. So question number 4B completed. Question number 3. 10x equals to minus 1. So x equals to 10 inverse 1. Keep minus outside. Therefore, we will get x equals to minus pi by 4. So x equals to minus pi by 4. So we will check where 10 is negative. When we are considering anti-clockwise, 10 is negative in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So x equals to pi minus pi by 4. This angle comes in the second quadrant, 4 pi minus pi by 4. It will be 3 pi by 4. Another one, x equals to, up to this 2 pi. 2 pi minus pi by 4. So it will be 8 pi minus pi by 4. It will be 7 pi by 4. Now, when we are considering clockwise, 10 is negative in the house of cos and house of sine. So this is already x equals to minus pi by 4. When you consider in the clockwise, it will be in the this quadrant, first quadrant. Then x equals to here. So up to this is minus pi. If we add minus pi by 4, we will get here minus 5 pi by 4. So finally we get the result x equals to 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, minus pi by 4, and minus 5 pi by 4. I hope everybody understood this lecture. Still, if you have any confusion, feel free to contact with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.